Now, when we are talking about a trade secret, what exactly the trade secret is? It is commercially valuable because it is secret. You can just check here. Be known only a limited group of persons and be subject to reasonable steps taken by a rightful holder of the information to keep it secret, including the use of confidentiality agreements for a business partners and employees. Now, what is the meaning of this particular? It's like a trade secret, two words are there. It is a secret related to trade. Now, when we are talking about a secret related to trade, it should be commercially valuable. So, it should have a commercial importance must be there. If there is no any commercial importance, that cannot be a trade secret. Okay? Then it is, you are saying it is a secret. So, it should be limited to a particular group of persons. That is a very important, because